Toronto, Niagara Falls, two iconic destinations. Imagine a leisurely boat trip between them. Tourists could experience the beauty of Ontario from the water. This journey would connect the bustling city to the natural wonder. But is such a trip possible? Currently, no direct boat route exists. However, the potential for such a route is undeniable. Exploring this idea requires understanding the geography and waterways of the region. Additionally, we must consider the infrastructure needed and the economic impact it could have. Let's delve into the possibility of creating an unforgettable voyage. This journey could redefine travel between Toronto and Niagara Falls. Lake Ontario connects Toronto to Niagara Falls. The Niagara River flows from the lake to the falls. However, the falls present a major obstacle. Boats cannot navigate them directly. The Welland Canal offers a solution. This canal bypasses the falls. It connects Lake Ontario to Lake Erie. Ships use it to travel around the falls. Despite these waterways, challenges remain. The Welland Canal is primarily for cargo ships. It lacks the infrastructure for passenger boats. Modifications would be necessary to accommodate tourist vessels. Creating a boat route requires significant infrastructure. Passenger terminals are essential in Toronto and Niagara Falls. These terminals would handle ticketing, boarding, and passenger services. The boats themselves need consideration. Comfortable seating, viewing areas, and amenities are crucial. The vessels should cater to tourists while ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. Navigational aids and safety measures are paramount. This includes channel markers, lighting, and communication systems. These measures guarantee smooth sailing and passenger safety. A boat route offers significant economic benefits. It could attract more tourists to the region. This would boost revenue for hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Local economies would benefit from job creation. The route would require staff for boat operations, terminal management, and tourism services. Furthermore, it could enhance Ontario's tourism appeal. It would offer an alternative way to experience the region's beauty. The route could become a significant attraction in itself.